So hello there, it's me Aditya, and I did some coding. So it's a quick video. So I coded Python so that it can do something like piano tiles, and maybe this was the result. Because it's not possible for me. So let's start it and try it. Yes, by the way, depends on frame rate. The screen recording might affect. Yeah, screen is. Oh wait, sorry. I should also unplug the mouse if I'm sure. Let's skip the ad. Let's restart. Let's actually also mute. So yeah, frame rate does affects it because I mean the screen recorder. But yeah, it works otherwise. And mouse sensitivities was important. Now, if I code a little complex, then I was not able to because I was facing some problems with Python because the process that I wrote last week. Oh, all right. In between, it's creating some horrible FPS, and it's actually not rendering. I guess what I can do is that increase this a little bit, very slightly. All right, it's um let's restart it. So um yeah, let's restart. Does works. Yeah, it's too fast. Maybe I should slow it down. All right, so literally after 2 minutes, um, my browser FPS lag, and yeah, all done. Yes, that's it. Um, Thanks for watching. I will try to do some more progress in it. So it at least does works a little better. Well, by the way, Q ends it, and it's like first it just does some random stuff like this that I usually always code. Printing its started really weird. Then Python also takes control over mouse. Actually, then I defined a function for clicking because the general click by py input was really hard to register for the browser. So yeah, and then I guess I did some like did some 2 minutes sleep for the Python so that I will get some time to respond and open the browser. Next thing, when key Q is not pressed, then this will happen every time, and when it is pressed, then this will be satisfied, and this will not be continued, and then because the code is completed, Python ends. So that's the point, and yeah, if I say then that's that's it. And oh yes, another thing, um, line run. If you don't know what line run is, then I would just say line run is a game engine that is currently being developed by me. So links might be in description. I don't know. So yeah, that's it. Need to close. That's it. You are currently viewing Attention Studios. Thanks. That's it.